Sandra, right? And I have Locs, and we are here to do some hair. So what we're gonna need to do is you're gonna need some rubber bands, because we are doing rope twists today. You say rope twist, what's that, girl? You from the sea. And some of these, or some of these, the regular rubber bands, okay? We always need our water bottle. And we always want to seal our hair with some kind of oil. This is coconut oil I've been using. Our brush. And let's just get into it. So what I'm gonna do is section up my hair. I kind of already did that in, I have the two big sections, okay? All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get me a section. And this is going to be our first little ponytail. Slide to the left. Okay, no, we're not sliding to the left. All right, I am going to put this in a ponytail. And we're just gonna do this all around our hair. I'm gonna try to do at least 8, maybe, all around my hair. And then, you know, if you want to, girlies, you can slick this hair down if you want to on the edges, if you want to. But if you don't want to, you ain't got to. Okay. I'm gonna take another section. It's not nothing that I need to really be like, have a whole, not this one. You ain't got to have like a uniform way to do it. It's just pretty much putting it all around. Not too tight, but securely. Okay, so then that's 2. The one in the middle. I don't really have to go down the middle like that, but this is also how I get my braids to have a braid out, but we're doing twists today, so it ain't gonna really matter. So I got me another section right here. And we just gonna do this all over the head. The, you know, the crinkly look, and I'll insert a picture here. So I like it to be crinkled, and I don't like my locks straight. It just, I can't deal with it. So anyway, I'm gonna do twists because this is a rope twist. So I'm not gonna do the braids. I'll do that off camera, and I'll do it another day of how I put braids all over my hair. But I like to section it off like this so that I'll have a little bit more control. But for this look, we're doing twists. So let's get into it. Okay. I like to say, go ahead and spray every section. Also for this, maybe everybody don't like to do it, but I do. I use this curl define mousse by a lot of body, but any kind of mousse, just anything like a, what you call it, like a any mousse or setting lotion or something, that'll keep the curl in. But I usually like to do braid outs instead of twists. It gives you a cute curl, you know. It does give you a cute curl, but I would rather have the braids because it gives you just a little bit more of a crinkle, and it stretches out your locks a tad bit more. So that's my opinion. But I might keep these in. I don't know. I might keep the twist in. Who knows? Let's see how this works out. So we're gonna twist and twist. It is quicker than doing braids because you're just twisting. You're just twisting. And sometimes toward the ends it's a little rougher. So you got your rubber band. Get ready to twist it and keep it going. And sometimes it will not be as tight. Sometimes it doesn't be as tight as you might want it, But this is pretty much how it's gonna look all over. And this setting lotion doesn't really, the setting mousse doesn't really leave any kind of residue on your locks. Not for me, it don't anyway. My personal opinion. Get it done. Get it done. Yeah, I like to sing to myself a lot. Really a lot. I do. But yeah. There's a twist. You just undo a little bit. We do this section right here. And that's the last I'm gonna do on camera. Well, I'll just have the other side done. But if you know how to twist hair, this is not hard at all to do. Okay. And like with this, I'm mad because you see that? Yeah, I'm a perfectionist, so I don't like for nothing to be standing out. We do that whole part over again. Or wherever the part is stopped at. I can't take it. I gotta... I've done that too when I do my braid outs too. I'll be like, dang it. I left a piece of hair out. Shoot. And these, I think they are so cute. Like when it gets longer. I've seen it on people's hair when it's longer. Just like little ropes all over your head, honey. Talking about locks ain't diverse. What you mean? Where? What you mean they not diverse? You can't do nothing with no locks? What you mean? Child, please. I didn't see them put freaking. They done did put whole weaves and wigs on top of locks. So for those that's like, hey, I ain't really with that. Is y'all kind of locked in and seem like y'all can only do certain locks, or y'all can only do certain styles and y'all stuck? No, we're not. We can do whatever we want to. I prefer, this is just me, but I prefer not to do wigs and stuff on top of my hair or braids on top of my hair. I thought about it, but then I was just like, I'm good. Know why I'm good? Because I done did all that. I done did every hairstyle that could be done in my adult life. So, I don't have an itch that, ooh, I want to do this wig. As hot as wigs are hot. And I'm in Texas. Ain't nobody got time to be doing all that extra. I think it's cute on the girls that do it. Trust me. Even the ones that get extensions on their locks or like braids on top of their locks. All that is cute. But you ain't finna do it. I'm not in the mood. This is the easiest, best thing that I ever did in my life, was to get locks. Really, seriously. I've been in more peace. Not that I'm a spiritual girl when it comes to hair or nothing like that. But it's just like that's just one thing that I ain't had to worry about every day. I could be worried about something else, but it ain't never gonna be her. I got 99 problems, but her ain't one. It's sure not. And I don't really put my hair under a dryer or nothing. I don't. I used to, but since it's been like I do a lot of color to my hair, which I've kind of been chilling. I will do my roots and stuff, but like my hair, I have it done. That white residue kind of goes away after a while, y'all. Just in case you're like, I see all that stuff on your hair. Girl, bye. Okay, that one goes with it. Now, did I get back there and just really make sure everything was combed down? You can, and when you do them sections, but I didn't. Because I'm like, child, I ain't got time. But if you want like a more uniform look and all that, you can definitely go in and get a mirror or something and go back there. But child, I don't care. I used to care about parts and making sure everything uniform. Baby, the way I don't care, because I just don't. Too much going on in the world for me to be worrying about everything if my parts lined up in the bag. I don't care. Okay, I was supposed to be taking this off camera and just do it, but it don't take me no long time. So then here we go. Boom. Boom shakalaka, boom, boom shakalaka. And then I have my little, I know I put it in one of my videos, but this is the Jamaican mango lime. No more itch spray. Yes. I'll put it in between where the parts are. And I'm pretty sure they look bad in the back. I'm pretty sure I don't care. I'm pretty sure I don't care. But it definitely cools your scalp. I like the cooling effect that it has. And you done. And you done. And you. Anyway, so yeah, tell me what y'all think about the rope twist. This is it. Honey. Who said what? Who had said what? What ain't the verse? What they had said? What the what? Doug. Don't play with me. Thank you for tuning in. Y'all have a good day.